How to use Visa gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can use Visa gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have a Visa gift card, you can use your Visa gift card wherever Visa is accepted. Yes, it's as simple as that. For example, let us suppose that you are shopping from Amazon, and Amazon, if they actually accept Visa card, you should not select add gift card as payment method. You have to select add a Visa card. So if they accept Visa, select the Visa card as an option, enter the 16-digit code as you normally do. Because here you can see, even if I open the support page of visa.com, here you can see if you're using it on a store, obviously you'll just slide or insert your Visa card to pay. But for an online checkout, you'll enter your Visa gift card 16-digit number, expiration date and CVV in the appropriate form field. So wherever Visa is accepted, you can actually use your Visa gift card. It's as simple as that. So if you're shopping from eBay, Amazon or any of the other websites such as Shein or Temu, Alibaba, AliExpress, if they accept Visa, then of course you can set that as a payment method and then you can use the gift card code appropriately. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.